Filipino. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am married. I have 2 children. My husband works as a tricycle driver. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I am in the third of the family. I am a vocational graduate of caregiver. I attended training before at Burgos Hospital. My duties are assisting patients, checking their blood pressure, body temperature, height and weight, change clothes and diaper, checks feeding, cleaning mild ones, and many more. I work here in the Philippines. Our duties are ironing, washing, cooking, and many more. I think taking care of elderly. I prepared them healthy food on time, giving them medicines and vitamins prescribed by doctor, help them to take a bath, assess them when their checkup, guide them anywhere and everything they do. I respect them, love them very much as my own parents. To my future employer, please hire me. I'm honest, hardworking, and responsible. I promise to you that I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, ma'am.